Hi friends and welcome back. The word of the day is callow. Its spell is C-A-L-L-O-W, callow. So let's pronounce with me, callow, callow. The word callow is an adjective. It refers to someone, especially a young person who is callow, behaves in a way that shows they have little experience, confidence, or judgment. Or in simple words, the word callow means young and inexperienced, who lacks adult sophistication. So if you are a rookie or new to something, you could be described as callow. Like callow freshman in high school or the callow receptionist who can't figure out how to transfer a call. The Urdu meaning of callow is na pukhta ya na tajrubakar. Before heading to words, let me tell you an interesting thing about the connection between callow and baldness. You might not expect a relationship between the word callow and baldness, but that connection does in fact exist. Callow comes from callow, a word that meant bald in Middle and Old English. By the 17th century, callow had come to mean without feathers and was applied to young birds not yet ready for flight. The term was also used for those who hadn't yet spread their wings in a figurative sense. After that, callow continues to mean inexperienced or unsophisticated today. Incidentally, the word has a list of synonyms. Some of them are immature, inexperienced, unfledged, adolescent, and untrained. However, the antonyms for the word callow are adult, mature, experienced, grown-up, and sophisticated. Now let's have a look on its usage in a sentence in all of 4 forms. The first example is, Alice is a callow secretary who needs to take a few more computer classes. Here, the word callow refers to little experience. The second example is, he is a callow boy who is shy and often gets bullied by his classmates. In this sentence, the word callow is used in a sense of little confidence. The third example we have is, although Janice believes she is a mature woman, she is actually quite callow and behaves like a small child when she does not get her way. Here the word callow is used in a sense of little judgment. And the last example we have is, many people wonder if Charles can manage the company at his callow age of 26. And in the sentence above, the words express the juvenile or young age. So that's all for today. Do practice this word and don't forget to share with us that either you are callow or not by commenting your sentence below. So see you on Monday with a new family of words. Stay with us and happy Sunday.